Welcome to my ThingLink for the conference planning activities for Digital Promise. I'm going to briefly tell you about what you're going to see when you hover over these icons. The first activity I came up with was something we did at the NMC related to a card game to get them excited about the Horizon Report. I think we could modify this and utilize this at Digital Promise as an icebreaker, and then something that actually goes throughout potentially the entire year. For example, this is a three-person type of game. However, we could modify this and make it our own, customize it. First of all, you would have one person that may have a card that says flipped classroom. The second one could be crowdsourcing. And then the moderator or facilitator asks the question, and this question is, which one will be obsolete the soonest? When the two people with the crowdsourcing and flipped classroom debate, the moderator then, after 30 seconds, chooses who the winner is. So they're really looking at the pros and cons. This is a great way to get people talking, especially from different cohorts, storytellers, coaches, etc. We also had a leaderboard that we could also incorporate in the Digital Promise world. Secondly is a passport of sorts, and we did this at the ADE program at the Institutes as a way for us to connect with different people from all over. We could do this with people where they get stickers. We had QR codes on our stickers. We don't have to necessarily do that, but I think something that takes it a step farther is we maybe write keywords about the person, and then at the end of the event, we could have people introduce other people that maybe they found to be inspiring. And then finally, the idea of a Google Demo Slam, where we have two types of slams. One is cohort one coming in and doing a slam talking about year one with Digital Promise best practices, lessons learned, greatest achievements. And then the second one is where cohort one and cohort two pair up one-to-one. And on the third day, they come up and they reflect and they talk about biggest ahas, greatest takeaway, inspiration, and then what they plan to do in the upcoming school year. So take a minute to hover over those icons. If you have any questions, let me know. I'm very excited about the possibility of taking these ideas and customizing them for this event in June in Philadelphia.